And today we're going to do Sopa de albóndigas. Here's our ground beef. Ground pork, 1 pound each. We're going to do 1½ teaspoons of black pepper. Start with the half. Next with the whole. And we're going to place in 3 teaspoons of garlic cloves, and I will see you in a moment. Okay, so we have our 1 pound of beef, our 1 pound of ground pork, and now I'm going to add in fresh mint, which I chopped up. And we have our 1½ teaspoons of black pepper. This is what it looks like. So we're just gonna curl everything in. And because this is not a dinner for one, it's a dinner for many, you want to make sure you have on your personal protective equipment while preparing the food. And you see everything is all nice and finely mixed together. You want to squeeze it so that the pork, the mint, the garlic, and the black pepper are all together. And here you have it. So now we're going to start with the meatballs. Here we go. See, everything is in there. Place it on parchment paper. We're going to do the dust and such. Remember, this is Sopa de albóndigas. And I will see you in a moment. Okay, so now we're going to do the sauce. I've added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large yellow onion, should be 1½ yellow onion. We're going to place in the red pepper, the red potato. Next, we're going to cut our carrots at an angle. Normally you would use 3, but my carrots are a little small, so I'm using 4. And toss that in the pot. Add a couple of teaspoons of tomato sauce. 1, 2, 3. But most important, we're going to add our broth. And the broth I'm using is a no salt, no calorie chicken broth. Okay, let's start that. With organic free-range chicken stock. And if you notice, it's quite blanched. It doesn't look red. So, close it. Start it. So, I'm placing it on slow cook for 20 minutes in the Ninja Foodie. And I will see you in a moment. And now we're going to add our meatballs. Remember, they're pork, beef, fresh mint, garlic cloves, and black pepper. One. That's 2. I'm going to stir it around in there. Place this back on. Okay, our Sopa de albóndigas is ready. And just take a good look at this in the pot. So I'm going to take this single size serving. And place it in here. And this is some cilantro on top. Thank you so much for joining me today. I realize you have many choices and channels to receive your recipe information. However, here at No Salt BP, we do it without the salt and we count carbs. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.